Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study actively at night, step by step. First, create an optimal study environment. Find a quiet, well-lit space where you can focus without interruption. Gather all your study materials, including textbooks, notes, and any digital resources, before you begin. This preparation saves time and helps you get into a productive mindset. Also, let others know you'll be studying to avoid unexpected disturbances. This initial setup is crucial for effective night study. Once you're set up, actively engage with your material. Don't just passively read. Instead, summarize what you've learned in your own words after each section. This process helps solidify understanding and identify gaps in your knowledge. Try creating flashcards for key terms or mind maps to visualize connections between concepts. A powerful technique is to explain complex topics aloud as if you're teaching a friend. This truly tests your comprehension. If you're finding these tips helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, for those late-night study sessions or just unwinding, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for reading anywhere, even in low light, without eye strain. Check the description for a link to the Kindle and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. To maintain focus and energy throughout your night study session, strategic breaks are essential. Aim for short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, every 45 to 60 minutes of study. Use this time to stand up, stretch, or walk around a bit to refresh your mind and body. Staying hydrated is also key. Drink plenty of water. Avoid sugary drinks and excessive caffeine, which can lead to energy crashes later on. These small habits make a big difference. Before you wrap up your night study, dedicate time to review and consolidate what you've learned. Quickly go over your notes from the entire session to reinforce the information. Challenge yourself with practice questions or work through past exam papers to apply your knowledge. This active recall is incredibly effective for long-term retention. Finally, make a brief plan for your next study session. This helps you pick up right where you left off.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.